Thank you. Same to you.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
YouTube, listen up, man. We got a waiver in the building. Listen, Treasy is in the building. Big WTBD. I don't know why I'm so hyped, but Treasy. Yes, sir. Listen, we got Treasy in the building. I don't know why he's so tall. You know what I'm saying? I thought he was at least about like 5'10". Man, how tall are you?
6'4".
6'4"? Yeah. All right. Let's hurry up and sit down here. All right. We're gonna give a wave check real quick. See what we're working with. Hey, you know the deal. All right, YouTube, listen, wave check. Let's see what he's working with. Beehive, how long you in it?
What, 6 months, 7 months now?
6 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all see it. Y'all see what he's working with. It's not a game. Big WTBD. This is what we do. You ready?
Yeah.
What type of cut you do?
You already know.
You guys, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is comb the hair out first. What this does, it lifts the hair off the scalp. That way it's easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blades. Alright, you guys, so Treasy wanted a 4 on the crown and a 3 everywhere else. So I went ahead and grabbed my 3 guard, and I'm just working on the outside of the crown right now, going with the grain, knocking everything down to a 3. So he wants his crown a guard size higher, so I'm gonna go with a 4. The reason why a waver will want their crown a little bit higher is because they want to establish more waves in that area. All right, the thicker your hair is, the more hair that you have in that area, the better and more defined the waves will be. So always remember to keep the crown area a guard size higher, whether the waver asks for it or not. As a barber, this is just something that you should know if you're cutting a real waver. So now that you cut everything down to the length that your client wanted, I'm basically just gonna brush everything back in place. The brush I'm using is the 360 GZV1 right now. We have a Black Friday sale, basically half off, right? So make sure you head to the website, 360jeezy.com to pick up your V1 brushes. Soft, medium, and hard are on the website right now. So next, I'm gonna give them a taper that all battle wavers want, which is a low taper, all right? So right now, I'm setting it in my bald line using my Babyliss FX trimmers, and I'm setting it in real low. You wanna basically keep in mind that you're fading his beard rather than the top half, all right? So we're gonna keep the top half short. I'm gonna go in with my low pros, and basically with the lever open, I'm going up not even a half inch. And whatever I do to the top, I'm gonna do to the bottom. Now with putting on the one guard with the lever open, I'm going up, but I'm scooping out, all right? I'm really trying to get this taper as low as possible, so I'm not digging into the rest of the hair, I'm just scooping out. Now with the same one guard with the lever open, I'm going with the grain just to take off some of that bulk on top. So closing the lever on that one guard, I'm really just working in that middle section, just softening it up so I could come behind it with the next step. I'm not gonna pay attention to the bulk on top, I'm just gonna blend the rest down. With the zero guard close, with the flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now notice how I'm using my corners. I'm not really trying to use the full blade. It's best to use the corners to get in those tight areas. Anyway, you're basically just doing detail work to try to, knock out that middle line. Now, a lot of times that zero guard close doesn't take out that middle line. All I do is open the lever and I go in using my corners and detail whatever bulk areas that I see. Next, with the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Start below the line, flick to the line. If you need to adjust your lever and you need to go up in the blend, adjust your lever as you go up. And lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detail, I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on, all right? Also, if you don't have a mirror, rest your eyes, come back to the blend, give your eyes some readjustment to where you're not just staring at the blend the entire time, all right? You kind of give your eyes a reset. So I go in, corner work, use the corners in areas where I see bulk and just kind of, clean it up. I'm also going to be working on the beard. What I did not finish on the beard, I basically use the same guidelines that I did on top. The only thing is doing it in reverse, going downward. So as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. I go in, set my ball line in, then I'll go in with my lever open, go up about a half inch, then I'll slap on my one guard with the lever open, go up another half inch, then start blending down, all right? I don't worry about that bulk on top because sometimes that bulk looks fine after you get the blend done. So I go back down, work on that middle line, taking out that middle line with the zero guard close. Then lastly, I'll go in with the no guard, lever close, knock out that bottom line and detail work. So when it comes to waivers, what I like to do is I like to attack the front line by going a guard size lower, just at the tip of the front line. All right, I'm taking my 2 guard and I'm going with the grain, knocking down that line. So when you line it up, it's gonna be a lot less overhang, you get when you put a line on it. So make sure you take that front line down a guard size lower. call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official 360 Jeezy and my Instagram is 360 Jeezy. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy and I'm out of here.